In this video, I'll demonstrate how you can earn over $10 every 10 minutes by solving puzzles. The first step is to go to Google and type in the search bar CPA grip. Click on the first link. I'm going to be showing you how to make $10 every 10 minutes using a CPA method. What I appreciate about this site is that there are actual users here who share their winnings every hour. Thus, there will soon be more visitors. You can just fill out this information by clicking register, choosing the publisher type option that says other, noting that you are not required to have a company or a website for this, so you can simply enter any random website here along with the company name, and then click register. After you have verified your email, log in using your email address and password, and this is how your account will look. Now pay attention, because this is how we are going to make money. Click Monetization Tools, and then URL File Lockers. We will be creating a URL locker for this method, and basically, what a URL locker does is it allows you to lock or hide a website's URL that contains certain content behind surveys so that when they are completed, they get access to the website's URL, and you are paid for these surveys and offers on the website, rather than making a purchase right away to entice someone to enter their information. The next step is to go to Google and search to solve this puzzle. Then, just click on one of these images and then click Visit Web Page. So now here's what you need to do. Before we create this URL locker, let me show you the content that we are going to lock, and pay attention because I will show you the strategy that I use to generate thousands of dollars with CPA grip. This is also going to be completely free, and you don't need to have a social media following or anything like that. If you scroll down here, you'll see the solution. Since people enjoy solving puzzles, we're going to lock this website's URL in our URL locker because it contains the solution, which requires users to complete a survey. You can earn up to $15 for each survey a user completes. Now all you have to do is save this image to your device and then copy the URL of this website into your browser. To proceed, simply return to Google and perform a search for Google Sites. Click on the first result, and then, once Google Sites has opened, click here where it says blank. From here, we can begin building our straightforward landing page. Don't worry, nothing will be difficult. However, as I previously explained, they will only receive the answer or the URL once they complete a survey on our CPA page, so we can earn money. So be sure to watch the video through to the end. For the title of the landing page, you can simply type, "Can you solve this viral problem?" You can also stretch it out like this to make it look nice. Next, click where it says text box and enter. Here is your challenge. We can also make some changes to this text, such as making it bold and increasing its size to make it easier for people to read. You can also click here if you want to center your text. The final step is creating our file locker in CPA grip, after which I'll demonstrate my method for obtaining unlimited free traffic. So, click on Create New URL Locker, agree to the terms of service, and click Continue. To change the text that appears here, click General. I'm just going to say here, complete the survey below to prove you are a human and to give the answer to the puzzle, which should make more sense in our case. You can also make more adjustments down here if you like, but for now, I will just leave it like this. So now, before you click Save, click on the General tab because the link we added here is where your traffic will be sent to after they complete the survey. Just click Save now, and here is your locker link to copy it. Just click where it says Get Links and then copy it. So now, just go back to the landing page and select this section at the bottom to add our locker link. All you have to do is click this link icon and paste your locker link here, and then click Apply. Finally, click here to publish our landing page. You can name it anything you like and then click Publish at the bottom. Now that our landing page is finished, click here and select Copy Link to get its link. Now to get traffic, I want you to go to Facebook and search for puzzles. There look for groups that have lots of members and good engagement. Once you find a few, all you need to do is post the image and put your landing page link with it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel or follow us for more valuable tips, updates, and exclusive opportunities to maximize your earning potential.